Today we're going to be taking some of this piece of a pallet and this bandsaw, and we're going to make my first bandsaw project. Let's do this. I've gotten it all glued up, just took it out of clamps. I drew kind of a handle off of this, and as you can see, this is kind of crooked off-centered because of all the cutting down here. So I just centered it up, and I'm just going to cut where the center line is, and we'll see how that part turns out. Went ahead and cut out the sides, so now I'm going to go ahead and kind of get a curvature for the actual gripping of that handle. So I got to draw a line on there, and then we'll go from there. Here it is, the final product. Well, it's not so bad. I gotta get used to how the bandsaw works and everything like that, but the curves and everything turned out fine. I think that a smaller blade could be a little bit more beneficial with tighter turns, or maybe I just need to take it to the limit and see what kind of turns I can make with it. But overall, it's not so bad. Check out some of the other guys' videos. I got this idea from Patrick's workshop, so I'll leave a link to his channel below. If you guys enjoyed the video on this, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. Make sure that you share it around on all the social networks that you can, and make sure that if this is your first time that you keep on coming back and by hitting that little subscribe button over there. I'll see you guys on the next video.